Sir, your first reactions on this. Sir, your first reactions on this victory.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sir.
No, thank you very much. Thank you.
Sir. Baba. Patron, sir.
Thank you.
Your first reactions on this victory.
I am disappointed that we lost 3 seats because I was confident that we would win all 30. Because I had said first one. See, when we put candidates, we put candidates for all 30 seats, so that 30 seats should win. I am not saying message to anyone. It is the party that has won. It is most important. A message has gone to the people. Even united force coming together cannot defeat the BJP.
Even if you go to see Taligaon, from 1 to 9, you have managed to capture most of the seats.
See, as I told you, I was sure, and I am sure. I thank the party leadership for giving me the honor, basically, to lead the panel. I thank the Honorable Chief Minister, I thank the party president, Mr. Damu Naik, and all the Karyakarta who has been here with us today, who has supported us to win this.
How about Panjim also? Because you're leaving around 2 seats. Ullale Sogli seat तुझ्या panela गेलेले असा.
See, that's the reason I said no. I didn't expect that basically to lose this 3 seats. It's really disappointed.
And about
there's a really disappointment for me.
Babu Ponja Padaytala Congress ile.
It's just that my prediction has not come true.
Congress Ponja Padaytala Congress ile Aam Aadmi Party ile Utpal lui bolo.
That is the reason. Your MP came and danced in our constituency. Still, it did not matter. So it shows how strong the BJP party is and how strong our Karyakarta of Panjim is.
Babush.
It was basically a mixed match. You understand? It was a balancing of old and the new came together.
Babu, Surendra what a possible na mandale, so to me think udele to me. Giant killer.
See, no one should take voters for granted. No one should think that I am the king. No one is the king. It is people are the king.
The supporters is saying you are the king.
No, I am not the king. The party, I am thankful to the party for the party has allowed me to lead this panel. I am grateful to the party.
So,
how do you see the mayor seat winning?
A mayor, that party will decide.
Babush Mansarat! Babush Mansarat!
Babush Mansarat Zindabad! Zindabad! Babush Mansarat! Zindabad!
I thank the party. I thank the party for giving me the opportunity to lead this panel. Honorable Chief Minister and our party president has given me the full backing and supported me throughout as far as the campaigning is concerned. So I am thankful to the party. I owe this win to the party.
How do you see Kabir winning against Suren?
I said, no candidate should ever think that they are above the people. You understand? It is the people who are supreme. And people has shown basically their displeasure against the candidates who have lost.
Even we were listening people were unhappy or something like that. That's why there was head-on fight between y'all and other panel. So
what I am trying to say, all these parties, Congress party, AAP party, and all the other parties came basically together to defeat the Bharatiya Janata Party. But still, Bharatiya Janata Party is so strong. Coming together, all these forces also could not defeat the party.
But it was about BJP or Babush?
No,
what
it
do you
is.
think?
It is about the party. Where am I? I am in the party. This is BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party panel.
So who is the face of mayor now?
Thank you.
शक्य ना पूण तरी ट्राय करता उलयत राव ट्राय करता ना जाल्यार मग हे करता तूं नजर ट्राय
उकल 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 रे उकल भाई उकल 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 उकल
सकल काढा मोबाईल आता पाहिजे
संजू
Thank you. I'm thankful to the party for giving me the opportunity to lead this country.
सर तुम्ही सगळे पार्टीसाठी काही
देखून तुमकां सांगता न्हू ऑपोजिशन पार्टी एकठांय येयले दे वॉन्टेड टू बेसिकली ट्राय सी इट क्लियरली शो दे आर weakness to come together. I look at it in that way. So that means we cannot fight. We want to thank you. Yeah. I look at it in that way. And downstairs on the it makes no difference whatsoever. Thank you so much. Thank you. 31.
Babush, sir! Babush, sir!
Giant killer. Shit. Giant killer. Balon. I don't think it's a giant. Great.
Thanks a lot. It was very important. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks for all yourself. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
A candidate should come always roam in this earth, should not fly. Important. It is what happened. We are at the mercy of the people. It is ultimately the people who gets us elected. If we try to show too smart, then people show you how smart they are.
3 वॉर्ड तुमचे मातशे 3 वॉर्डान कितें
That's the reason I'm disappointed that 3 we lost, because I was sure that we would get all 36, and all our candidates basically were good. So I'm sorry for that, for the loss.
कमी पडले तुम्ही.
Sorry? No, I'm saying it is really a loss. He was a really nice, good candidate. But it is ultimately the wish of the people. He was new also to politics. I guess he didn't understand well politics. Yeah.
Where is the short?
No, short is not. There is nothing short. As I said, he's a new candidate. Suren Sukar had a hold as far as the board is concerned. So let me accept that. Because Miramar, he has got a hold. Because he considered that to be his base. But the king, basically, whoever thought he was the king, he's been dethroned.
And how do you see the winning? कमी पडले.
So I'm glad for Rohit that he won the seat. It's very important for him.
Sir, mayor face कोण आहे?
He is one of the candidates amongst the 30.
Mayor face
So
कोण
there's nothing
Mayor face
there.
कोण
Other party will decide basically. Thank you so much. Thank No, we'll wait out. We won't go there.
बाहेर गया.
आम्ही बाहेर राहू.
मध्ये अरे तोड
Thank you.
येऊन म्हटलं
पॅनलाचें नांव आशिल्लें आमी पणजेकार. सो
आणि आम्ही म्हणजे ना कोण थोडे पणजेकार ते लोकांनी दाखवून दिलेले सिंपल एज दॅट. सो जस्ट नाव दिल्यार आमी पणजेकार म्हणून आमचे पणजेकार हें जायना.
ओके, सो तुमी कितें म्हणटा की खरे पणजेकारांनी तुमकां मत मारला म्हणटा तुमी.
That is the result, no? What is the result is here in front of you. That is showing you.
सो आनी इश्यूज आशिल्ले तर कॅसिनोचे इश्यूचेर बोवाळ जालो, वेगळे पार्किंग इश्यू जालो. सो तुमकां कितें
कॅझिनो इश्यू हे नॅरेटिव्ह ते ऑपोजिशनान आतां क्रिएट केल्ले. कॅझिनो इश्यू स्वताच आसलो. इट इज अ इश्यू. But narrative they try to create to try to basically garner votes in the name of casino. That's what they failed. Maybe one seat they have won in the ultimate seat. That narrative basically caught up there.
आणि कशें कितें दिसता तुमकां ह्या वर्सा आमी पळयता की ह्या वर्सा तुमकां खुबश्यो बऱ्यो गजाली तुमकां तुमच्या आयुश्यांत जायत आहा. सो कशा तरेन हे वर्स पळयता तुमी इवन अबाउट इलेक्शन और अबाउट लॉंग पेंडिंग केस ऑल्सो. So
no. Most important thing is cases and all is a part of process, which basically takes time and it will carry on. But most important thing is I am thankful to our party, Bharatiya Janata Party, because they have given me they allowed me to lead the panel, and I have not let them down. I'm thankful to Honorable Chief Minister and the party president, Mr. Damu Naik, for having faith in. And for helping, and the Karyakarta basically helped us throughout day and night basically to achieve this time.
ओके, तुम्ही एक्सपेरिमेंट केलो हे फावटी. आमी पळयलें की सिटींग कावन्सिलर आशिल्ले खुबशे तुमी घेवना, न्यू फेसीस दिवपाक ट्राय केलो, तरी पूण तुमी ते निवडून हाडले. आमी पळयले न्यू फेसीस.
थोडे कावन्सिलर कितें आनी मातशे जून जातात, थोडे जालेले आनी थोडे चिंतलेले. दॅट इज देयर फ्रीडम. हे म्हाजो वॉर्ड हांवें पयलें आयकलें. हे झोपडटाली दुसरी कावन्सिलर, तूं म्हाज्या वॉर्डान पळयलो, तूं हांव तुज्या वॉर्डान गेलो. पळय, आय एम द MLA ऑफ पेंजीम. माय वायफ इज MLA. 100 people come and dance in my constituency, and if you are helping people, you are please welcome. You come and do good to the people. I have got no issue. I will never stop anyone. Okay. So these people, some people vote upon, they feel what is upon, they're like they have bought that vote. It should not happen that way. You should be down to earth. It clearly shows what is the thing.
बाबूश, आमी पळयता बाबूश, तशेंच आमी CCP इलेक्शन म्हणटा ते सेमी फायनल तुमचे खातीर तरी असेंब्ली इलेक्शन
ही सेमी फायनल म्हणून नासलो, म्हाका ही फायनल आसली. आय क्लियरली टोल्ड माय पीपल, बाबा दिस इज द फायनल. दिस विल बेसिकली सेट द नॅरेटिव्ह फॉर आवर फायनल. But this is the final one. Finally, basically, see, these people all try to come together basically to show as one force. So that means first of all, I felt it good that they all came together. So I know who was the enemy. Enemy was not the party. The enemy was Babuch. Because if you see in the panels also, I was been just looking. As far as the opposition is panel, they are only talking about me and my family. Nothing to do with Panjim or nothing to do with Taliban. See, it is a wrong thing that people try to say. Family Raj. Are Baba, we have not been nominated. We have been elected. We go to the people. We go to the people and then people elect. Because they, as far as the general election is concerned, they have got basically a chance to pick any other candidate also. But why they pick us? There must be something where people
पण बाबूश, कशें आसा, रोहित तुमचो भुरगो म्हणून ताका प्रिविलेज आसा काय ताणें काम केलां, हेजो तुमी आमदार पणजेचो कशें पळयता?
सगळ्यांनी काम केलां आपणाच्या वॉर्डान. It is nothing. There was no difference. I didn't treat Rohit with kid gloves and others. I showed any difference. You can ask any of my 30 whether I showed any differentiated. I didn't even go to basically his ward to camp. And I hardly went to anyone. I only told our candidates, wherever you feel that there is a problem for you, that is the place you call me. That is it.
थोडे जे पणजेचे हे आसा कावन्सिलर ते कमी मार्जिनान येयलो, म्हणजे तेंच्यांनी स्टडी करपाचो विचार आसा काय ना फुडें?
स्टडी करपाचो विचार आहा, सगळ्यांक स्टडी करपाचो विचार आहा. It is not
कमी मार्जिनान.
This is basically just a lesson for us. Lesson so that we need to work. There is never an end to working. I always believe the biggest room in your house is a room for improvement. So we got to improve. We are not saying we are also human beings. I am not saying I am perfect, but we need to improve. We need to see why some people basically didn't vote for us. We need to see. I am a fellow who will basically take everyone along with me. I am never. Once election is over, then I will differentiate you are with me or you are not with me. We are all together. Ultimately, rivalry is there only as far as election is concerned. There is no personal rivalry amongst us. But there are some leaders from their side who takes basically a personal rivalry. I have never received.
बाबू तुम्ही ते दीस इलेक्शना दिसा सांगले की आपण कितें ते रिजल्टा मागीर उलयतलो सो मेजर कितें दिसता तुमकां की कशा तरेन
No, no, I am a little disappointed that I lost this race because I was focused and I was sure that we would win all 30. So I cannot say anything more than that. Now
पण
result is
कितें
out.
कमी पडलेशें दिसता तुमकां ह्या 3 सीट
Now, to me, there must be difference. See, first and foremost, I can give you one example as far as seat number 7 is concerned. Sanjeev Desai. He was new to politics. I guess he could not grasp the decision short span of then as far as Eddie George is concerned. I think that casino is some narrative thought. So that is the reason it went slightly off. And as far as the third seat in Ribandar, that I don't know. But to tell you frankly, I did not go around anyway. Except I said wherever the candidate felt that I am leading, those places I am leading. So it was.
विरोधकांनी फॅमिली राज्याचो एक हे मुद्दो घेतला.
अरे बघा सांगता न्हू फॅमिली राज म्हणजे कितें वी आर नॉट नॉमिनेटेड ते कितें राज्यसभा सीट वी गो टू द पीपल and we get ourselves elected. Tomorrow my son may be someone else also may make. Everyone is free to contest an election. No. Who basically can stop my son or whoever it is from contesting an election? That's because I am in politics. In 2002 when I came into politics, I didn't have any godfather.
म्हणून त्यांची फॅमिली राज्याक एकटेकूच निवडून हाडलो अशें म्हणपाचें.
No. I don't look at it in that way. Some people, what happens, they feel I am bigger than the people. So those people you are brought down. Now you come and sit here first. Okay, then you fly. It's as simple as it.
Okay, thank you.